friends. Good morning friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is Monday here and our day is off to a good start. We're checking off things on our morning to-do list, so feeling good about that, our little morning routine. Felt good to get back into that with like Connor being sick last week. It was really hard to stay in a routine, so definitely want to prioritize that this week because it sort of fell to the wayside. But feeling good, and per our morning routine, I am going to have my morning chai, go through emails, just anything that needs to get taken care of right away. I need to like do the description for my vlog. And then after that, it is workout time, but I'm not doing a normal workout today because part of my January reset, on Mondays we do restorative stretches, which thank God it's not an actual workout today because I did a HIIT class yesterday and I cannot tell you how much pain I'm in from like my hips down. Everything is so sore. It's really hard to sit and stand and like do anything. I'm just in pain even when I'm just sitting still. So thank goodness, even though I'm sure it'll be even worse tomorrow because day 2 is usually the worst, and tomorrow I do have an actual workout, but that's okay. Today we just get a nice relaxing restorative stretch, which will actually be lovely. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna work on here, and I'll check in with you guys when we get to that. All right, it is stretch time. I don't know how long the stretch is going to be, but I may only be able to do part of it because I do have a call to hop on pretty soon. Yeah, 31, so probably can't do the full 31 minutes, but that's okay. We're gonna get through like 20 minutes of it and enjoy ourselves.
All the muscles in your body, try to relax your face. Spread your right arm to the space between your left arm and your left knee, with your left arm to the top. Stretching your hips as well. Exhale, come on up. On sweeties. Place your head down, roll your shoulders down.
What is it?
Now left leg comes up, flapping your knee over your station. Tap your knee over your heel. Left hand comes down, right arm reaches up. Shoulders out of your ears. Check in with your core.
What are you doing?
And exhale, roll over. Reaching towards your feet. If you'd like to point your toes to get a stronger stretch in the top and the front of your legs, feel free. As much as you can, reach your left arm up and over. Right arm is down on your right leg. Exhale, reach for your toes. Keep your chest open. You're still facing your front.
Alrighty. Thanks guys, have a great rest of your day. Success. All right, time to hop into some vlog editing. So for lunch today, we are making that kale salad again. I just finished massaging my kale. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt in there. I made this recipe last week on the vlog. My vlog schedule is like all messed up in my head, so I'm not sure when this is going up, when other things have already been up. I'm pretty sure it was last week. Made my own dressing and everything. The toppings here, we're gonna put in avocado, some green onion. We have a tiny bit of cucumber left, as well as some feta and some edamame. It's gonna be sort of like an all green salad, not on purpose, but for our dressing that we made, this is a creamy almond dressing. I'm gonna start with just a bit in there, give it a mix. Gonna do a little bit more. And then I just have a tiny bit of feta left, so I'm just gonna pour whatever I have in there. I forget if I said this already, but we're getting groceries delivered today, so it should be here shortly. This will do in the meantime. It turned out really yummy this time. Oh, I forgot to put onion in there. Not too late, I'll chop some up quickly. All right, onion going in. Nice little last minute addition. Lunch is complete. I'm just gonna scarf this down and get straight back into work because I'm feeling really productive today. I want to keep the momentum going. Guys, look, I just came back to my desk and it looks like it started raining. I think you guys can sort of see those drops there. It's hard to get to focus on the window and not what's through it, but very gray day. Here's a closer look at my salad, by the way. I know it doesn't look great, but it tastes amazing. Groceries just got delivered, but it's a lot of the usual stuff, so I'm not gonna do a haul today. I'm just gonna put it away. Hello from me at 6:15 p.m. It has been a little while since I've said hello, but Hello. Just finished up work a little while ago and then hopped in the shower to wash my hair for the week. And I thought I would show you guys my hair routine just because I've been getting a lot of questions about it again lately. Not that much has changed, but I am gonna try some new products today, which I'm really excited for. So as always, kicking things off with my Denman brush just to make sure there are no knots in my hair, but there really shouldn't be because I always finger comb my hair like to excess in the shower to make sure that there are no knots and try to pull out as much of the fallout hair as possible, although we'll still get quite a bit in my brush here, which is crazy because the amount of hair that I pull out of my head in the shower is just so ridiculous. But yeah, look at that. No knots. And I also did try a new conditioner in the shower today just because I'm all out of my Bondi Boost. I did reorder. We re-upped on the Bondi Boost, so we're going to be doing that. And I got the bigger bottles this time just because I figured might as well save myself some time. So still got shampoo left, so I used the Bondi Boost shampoo, and then I used the Nature's Lab conditioner. This is their shampoo, but it's the conditioner that matches this from their brand new Curly Girl line. Smelled really good. I like the way it felt in my hair. I really like Nature Lab products. I think that they're pretty reliable, and I love that they have a Curly Girl line now. So there we go. We have it all brushed out now, and the next thing I like to do is get some moisture into my hair. By the way, also when I get out of the shower, I do an extra pump of conditioner through my hair and don't rinse it out. So I want to try this new product. I unboxed this in a recent vlog. It's a Christophe Robin Paris. Oh, and none of that is in English. Let me move to the English section. Hydrating leave-in mist with aloe vera. I wanted to try this out with you guys. So let's see like what the... Okay, so it is like very misty. In general, after the shower, I like to use a little bit more of a heavy-duty leave-in conditioner. That smells really good though. I feel like that will be really good for like touch-ups, bringing to the beach, stuff like that, but I don't know if it's heavy-duty enough for like what I need to do right now, but definitely will be good for touch-ups throughout the day. So here's another Nature Lab product that I love from their Curly Girl line. This is their leave-in conditioner, and what I mean by heavy-duty is it's like super thick. I'll show you. When you spray it, you can like see the product. It's not just like a general mist, it's like heavy duty product. So I like to get this all through my hair, concentrating on the ends there, but all over, not just the ends. And then in particular, I concentrate it on these front, I'm almost out of this, these front pieces, because these are my driest pieces of hair. And then I just comb through with the Denman to make sure that everything gets evenly distributed. Camera battery died, but we are back. Now that we have that done, we want to go in with a curl cream. I've still been using the Ways curl cream, which I just love. And I use a lot. This is for like one side of my head. And I just sort of like rake it through. Again, make sure I'm getting these front bits like so. And then I scrunch up. And you can start to see my sort of texture coming through there compared to the other side. Scrunch. Great, now that I have that in, we go back in with the Denman brush. So I just do the top layer of my hair because I'm lazy and it does the trick. Scoop up this top layer, clip this part back and out of the way, and we work with this. So I move from the back forward, I usually brush it out, and then just do a little curly motion. Shake it out, see the curls start to form, and throw it away. You can alternate directions that you're twisting the brush as well, but I don't find that it makes that huge of a difference with the way my curls look, so, you know, I just do whatever is most comfortable. And then for these front bits, I make sure I get pretty close to the scalp, and again, just twisting away. Okay, now we repeat on the other side. And I think this sort of goes without saying, but you can absolutely do this to your whole head of hair. I like to do that when I need my hair to look like a little bit nicer, if I'm like going out or something. In particular, when I'm doing my hair, I'll do my whole head just because it's nice to get, you know, really beautiful texture all over. But for every day, it's just really not necessary for me. Feeling pretty good about that. Should like have everything in pretty good shape. Sorry, Connor's watching sports. I don't know what. About what I should do next, because I want to try this new product, which I'm really excited about. It's from Bread Beauty, and they have a ton of products that are specifically made for curly girls, and they sent me a ton of them. I hauled them in a previous video. Definitely going to be trying all of those products, and this branding, I mean, have you ever seen something so beautiful? It's gorgeous. So I do want to try this hair oil, but I don't know if I should do hair oil before or after gel. Maybe try Googling. So I know that you use hair oil after your moisture products because it sort of works the same as your skincare, which I've explained to you guys. The particles in oil in like face oils are bigger than the particles in moisturizers that you put on your face, so it seals it in. Same idea. The particles in this oil are going to be bigger than the ones in like my leave-in conditioner, for example. And so it's gonna help to seal in that moisture instead of letting it out. We're gonna go oil first. I'm so excited to try this product. Oh, it smells so good, you guys, like strawberries. Just going to get a couple drops out of the bottle and just sort of work that through my hair in a like upward scrunchie motion. So I don't want to get rid of those curl patterns that I created with the Denman brush. And then I'm really excited to use this oil for touch-up days because I think that's really where it's going to shine. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. And now last thing, gel. This is the gel I use. It's the only gel that I've ever tried. So I don't know if it's the best, but there you go. It's got tons of ingredients in it that's really good for curls, help to keep it hydrated. It's soft hold, so it won't be too chunky in your hair. I'll try to remember to show you guys this later. When your hair dries, by the way, I use like this much on each side, a lot of gel. So I noticed that when my hair dries with the gel in it, that I will notice it's sort of hard, not in a terrible way, but I'll show you how I work out the gel because I do it in a very specific way to make sure that my curls still hold. And same amount again on the other side. As you can tell, I use a lot of each product in my hair. I don't use that many products, but the ones I do use, I use heavily. And now I'm gonna flip my head and scrunch some more. I didn't put any more gel in my hand, just using like residual. And that's the whole routine. It is not super short, but I try to cut it down as much as I can because I don't love spending a ton of time on this kind of stuff. But it gets the job done. Love this. Very excited to see what it does in my hair. Very excited to use it for touch-ups. Actually very excited to use this hydrating mist for touch-ups as well. So we're gonna see how these work together, and very pumped just to have this on display because look at how beautiful. Okay, let's go get dressed. Shut up, Connor. Connor's making fun of the noises I make when I move right now because I'm in a lot of pain from that workout. Anyway, before dinner, we are going to play a little bit of this new game that we started. It Takes Two co-op game. It's on PS4 and PS5. Hilarious storyline, but so much fun to play with someone. It's like a puzzle game, so highly recommend if you're looking for a fun game to play. Well, that game sucked up like an hour and a half of our lives so quickly. It was crazy.
Got very into it.
Right? But so fun. And then all of a sudden it was 8 o'clock and we hadn't started dinner yet. We're making a soup, so it's probably like an hour-long process. But we are making a lemon orzo soup tonight. Very excited for it, so I'll keep you guys in the loop with how it turns out, and I'll try to remember to put the recipe in the description of the video, but you guys know I suck at remembering stuff like that, so if I didn't and you want it, please leave a comment so I can remember. Soup is really coming together. I'm so excited. The broth tastes amazing, and we have the orzo cooking in there right now, just waiting for that to cook, and then we will add lemon juice and be done. All right, lemon juice going in. Love it.
Love it. Well done.
I'm so excited.
Wow, this looks amazing.
It's gonna be yum.
Look at that.
Looks so good, eh?
Looking
so good.
Oops. Oh, wow.
Thanks, baby. Okay, you guys, I want to show you what I do with my hair once it's totally dry with the gel, like I was telling you about. So, as you can see, this is the way that it just dried. It almost still looks wet, and it definitely feels hard. But to get the gel out, I don't like brush it through or anything. I just squeeze my hair, and it gets rid of the crunchy layer while still keeping the definition. And you can see already from that one little squeeze how much fuller and better this side of my hair is looking. By the way, you guys, that soup that we made was seriously one of the best things that we've made in a while. It was so delicious. Highly, highly recommend. that you guys tried that recipe. It was so good. And now I am honestly just going to go in bed and read my Kindle. I'm still reading Ugly Love. I'm like 75% of the way through, so I think I'll probably finish it this weekend, which I'm really excited for. But anyway, thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.